creating your first Google AdWords ad campaign. Let's do that right now in this video, step by step. Here we are on the adwords.google.com website, and we are on the home panel right now in the home dashboard. The second option is campaigns, so click on that. And now we are going to the campaigns dashboard where we can see all the activity, all the information, the existing campaigns that we have. If you have a new account, probably you will have only one campaign running here, or maybe a campaign that you pause here. Okay, so right now we are in the campaigns menu, and we also select on the tabs here the campaign tab, which is the first one, and now we have the red button saying, hey, plus campaign, create a new campaign. So if we click here, we are able to see all the different ads, the different campaigns that we can create here on Google AdWords. The first one is the search, network, and display select. Remember that we talk about the three different campaigns that we can create: the video campaign, the search campaign, and the display campaign. So the search is the one that will show when people go to google.com and search for your keyword, and the display is the one that shows in other websites, in third-party websites, where they show your ad over there. Okay, the second one is network only, display only, shopping, video, or universal ad campaign. In this case, we are talking, in this course we will talk about the search network, the display, and also the video campaign. I'll show you also on this course how to create a YouTube ad. On this case, by the end of this model, you will have also a YouTube ad running on your account. Okay, so right now we will create a search only ad because this is the easiest one to create, and I want to show you how to do it right now. So here we are on the campaign name. Before we talk about this, let me tell you about the type of campaign. Here we have the standard, which is the keyword target text ads showing on Google search result. Okay, if you have any questions at any time, if you are not sure what something means here, Google allows us, they have a question mark icon here where you can put the mouse on the top of it, and you will have a description exactly of what each item means in case you have doubts. But let me tell you, here on standard, this is a standard search ad that will show on the Google page. If we enable the all features, Google will allow us here on the next page to select more advanced features. If you want to select the ad extensions and other advanced features that we have on Google AdWords, you can select this one. So you will have all the options available. If you want to improve, to optimize your ad for mobile app installs, you can select this. Also, we have the dynamic search ad. In this case, if you select this one, you are not selecting specific keywords. This is good if you have an online store, for example, with a lot of products and products that are changing all the time. By selecting the dynamic search ads, Google will go to your website and analyze all the keywords, analyze all the data that you have there, and the algorithm will automatically improve and will create a target audience, will create a specific keywords to target your ads for your website. And call only is a way to make calls for your business. So if they see your ad and they click on it, you will see that the user, especially on mobile, they will be prompted with an option to call your business. So all they need to do is click on your ad and click on call, and the smartphone will automatically make the call to your business. In this case, we are using the standard option here right now on this example. Okay. Campaign name, I recommend you to add something that is descriptive, that you know in the future. Remember that you will have a lot of campaigns in the coming month, in the coming days, in the coming years, and you need to have a good description here on the campaign name. So spend some time here writing a compelling description that will help you to identify your campaign. In this case, my campaign will be about digital marketing. So I will target people that are interested in digital marketing and driving people to my website. You can also add here, you can put a slash, and you can add more information about your audience. For example, if you are targeting US, Canada, and UK, for example, or the countries, you can add the countries, you can add the gender of the people you are adding here. So that's up to you. For me, I will add only for this demonstration digital marketing as a name. Below that, we have a load setting from existing campaigns. So if you have more campaigns that you want to use the same settings, you can just load the settings from there. That's an easy way to create new ads when you already have campaigns that are very successful. So let's say campaign 1 here is super successful. I'm having a great conversion rate, great results. So I can import the settings from this campaign to my new ad if I want. In this case, I won't do that. Let's move forward. The next one is networks. So where your ad will show is saying that it will show in Google Search Networks. And also you have the option to check if you want to show your ads on the Google search partner. So basically other websites, the other search engines that are partner of Google will also show your ad if you want. For now, if this is your first ad, if you are starting here, I recommend you to select only Google Search Network. Devices, Google will show by default, and we cannot change this, to all eligible devices. So mobile, tablets, cell phones, laptops, computers, all the devices will be running your ad by default. Okay? In the next video, we'll continue defining your target audience. See you there.